Welcome back to Alvinsa Studio, where we explore the most creative and inspiring homes from around the world. Today, we're diving into the world of tiny living with a tour of a sleek, modern container home that's making a big statement with a small footprint. Welcome to the world of modern tiny homes where functionality meets aesthetics. Today we step inside a unique tiny house owned by Roman and Evelina, showcasing how they have maximized a small space to create a comfortable and efficient living area. Meet the homeowners and their compact abode. Roman and Evelina are the proud owners of a small plot of land, about a quarter of an acre, which they've transformed into a cozy retreat. At the heart of this property lies a compact home, cleverly constructed from a 40-foot shipping container. The decision to use a container was driven by the ease and speed of getting a dry structure up, which is weather-resistant and can be built out as time and budget allow. Exterior design and utilities. The house sports a minimalist facade with larch wood cladding, left untreated to blend naturally with the surroundings over time, simplifying maintenance. Surrounding the house, the landscape includes a winter spa pool and a small utility block with plans to construct a main house next year. Warm and cozy interiors. Despite its size, this tiny home is exceptionally warm, thanks to 10 centimeters of sprayed polyurethane foam insulation. The windows are dual-chamber PVC with a discreet laminate exterior in wet asphalt color, and a bright interior to match the internal white decor. This choice ensures the windows do not visually overpower the space. Inside the container, tiny home. Upon entering, you're greeted by a compact hallway complete with storage for outerwear and footwear, making smart use of the limited space. The heart of the home kitchen and living area. Moving into the main area, the space serves as a kitchen, dining, and living room. Evelina, taking the lead, shows how each corner is maximized. The kitchen might be small, but it's mighty, equipped with a dishwasher and oven, perfect for baking croissants, and clever storage solutions for utensils and cookware. The bar counter doubles as a dining table, with more seating outdoors for the warmer months. The living area is simple, yet functional, featuring a custom-built mini-bar and a cozy couch facing a wide window offering views of the outdoors. Design elements like a DIY lamp add a personal touch while maintaining functionality. Clever use of space and design elements. The decor utilizes shades of blue and teal, hinting at a maritime theme, which is subtly echoed throughout the space. Storage solutions are ingeniously integrated into every possible area, drawing inspiration from yacht and motorhome designs known for their efficient use of space. The private quarters. The bathroom and bedroom wing continues the theme of efficiency and design. The bathroom, or the little galley as Evelina calls it, features custom-selected black sanitary fixtures, a contrast to typical choices but one that stands out beautifully against the light blue tiles. The bedroom is a sanctuary with ample storage, a comfy bed, and just the right amenities for a restful area. Even here, the design maximizes space without sacrificing comfort or style. Living in a container tiny home. Roman and Evelina have created more than just a tiny house. They've built a fully functional home that meets all their needs in a minimal footprint. The house includes advanced features like a ventilation system with CO2 sensors and a simple yet effective heat management system. This tiny home is more than a place to stay. It's a cleverly designed space crafted to enhance everyday living through thoughtful design and efficient use of space. As Roman and Evelina continue enjoying their compact home, they prove that with creativity and clever planning, small spaces can lead to big adventures in compact living. Whether you are considering downsizing or just looking to simplify your life, their home serves as a perfect inspiration. Stay tuned for more updates on their journey. And if this peek into tiny living intrigued you, give a nod in the comments with your thoughts or questions about embracing a simpler, smaller way of living. And that wraps up our tour of this modern container tiny home. We hope you enjoyed exploring this stylish, compact space that proves small living can be both functional and beautiful. If you found this tour inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who appreciate unique and creative home designs. And of course, be sure to subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more tours of extraordinary homes and ideas that push the boundaries of what's possible in design. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and stay inspired, right here on Alvinsa Studio.